I can't believe I'm coming on camera right now with my crusty ass lips. So if you've been on my channel for a while, you've probably heard me discussing my severely dry and cracked lips. My lips are so dry, I make dry eyes look like this. I make croutons look like this. And I make the drought in California look like this. But really, my lips are so dry that I could literally rub my lips and dry skin rolls off the surface. And I'm sure I can't be the only one who has that dry lips. No? No one else? Just me? Okay, in hopes of ending my dry lip misery, I'm gonna be doing a first impressions of this Rire Bubble Bubble Lip Mask. This is something I picked up from YESSTYLE. I think it was less than $8, so it's a fairly affordable product, and it's supposed to exfoliate your lips, it bubbles up, and it moisturizes and soothes your dry, cracked lips. Comes in a little package that looks like this with a pump on it, and let's go ahead and get close view of my lips. Okay. Ugh. This is what my lips look like. You can see how much like dead skin I get. I don't honestly know the science of why it feels like I have drier lips than most people, so if this works well for me, you know it'll work well for pretty much the average consumer. So this is a pretty straightforward treatment. You just pump some out onto your hands. I'm gonna use this much because it is only my lips and I don't think they need that much product. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and smooth this on. This is supposed to bubble up in 2 to 3 minutes. There's like a orangey kind of smell to it. I don't know. Not really good with describing scents. Okay, well let's just go ahead and watch it work its magic. You're supposed to leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes, so it's a pretty fast treatment. Okay, so I feel like most of the bubbles have popped. It's been a couple minutes. I'm gonna wipe it off and stop talking because I feel like I am eating it at this point. Oh, gross. Oh boy, that's wonderful. So look away if you don't want to see my dead lip skin. This is pretty gnarly, but you could see like a lot of this is going to be product and makeup, but you can kind of see my like the dead skin from my lips. Yucky. Okay, now this one's kind of damp. Okay, so my final thoughts on the Bubble Bubble Lip Mask from Rire. Now, to be honest, I don't necessarily think this is a terrible product, but I felt like I ended up removing most of the dead skin or exfoliating my lips with the end step where I just kind of wiped it off with a cotton pad. I felt like I had to still kind of wipe my dead skin off, and that this didn't really like loosen it up too much or get it off. I definitely think this is a unique product. It's not super expensive if you want to try it. I feel like I still need chapstick. My lips still feel very dry. So I'm not sure that this product is the most efficient way to treat your lips if you have dry lips. So I don't necessarily recommend this. I feel like I'm better off just kind of doing a lip scrub with some chapstick at the end. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this first impressions, and let me know if there are any other type of products you want to see me do first impressions on. And yeah, let me know if you guys have ever tried a product like this, because I'm curious to know what are your guys' lip secrets. Please let me in and let me know how you treat your dry lips, because I need some help. Girl needs some help. As always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy, and don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video.